You want to see what my daughter nicknamed Angel Pie? Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. Back in Christmas, I had made a pie for my daughter, trying to make something like what a friend of mine used to make, and I hated asking her because I've asked her a dozen times this recipe and then I always seem to lose it. I didn't want to ask her again, so I was trying to go off memory and trying to look up. But anyway, I made a pie and she loved it. My daughter did, my youngest, and she named it Angel Pie. Basically, it's just a dream whip. Have y'all ever used this stuff? It does make pretty good pies. And it's very simple, doesn't take a whole lot of ingredients. All you need is your pie shell. You need one box, which has 2 envelopes in it, but you need one box of this dream whip. You need 1 8-ounce brick of cream cheese that's softened, and you need a cup of milk, and that's it. So let's go ahead and jump on into this, and I'll show you how to make angel pie. All right, this is all you need. I'm gonna add some vanilla, about a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm just gonna go ahead and add it into this milk. Okay, let's throw a brick of cream cheese in the bowl. Okay, let's go ahead and beat up the cream cheese first. Then we're gonna sprinkle in 2 packages, which is 1 box, but there's 2 envelopes. We're gonna sprinkle in both envelopes of the dream whip. And slowly add the milk in. Okay, I think I forgot the powdered sugar, so we'll put a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar in here. This is 1/4 a cup. Then you're just gonna pour it in a graham cracker pie crust. And you're just going to put this in your refrigerator in at least an hour to let it set. Now, I come back and done a different version, and I like this version better. I put a lot less milk in it. I maybe put about a 1/4 cup of milk. I just put enough to really thin it out, but probably 1/4 cup of milk. 2 teaspoons of the lemon juice in the bottle, so 2 teaspoons of this. 1 teaspoon of almond extract. Then I put about a dash of salt in there of my pink Himalayan. And like I said, less milk. And that's it. I like this a lot better. It's a little bit more tart. And I'm going to put this in my pie shell and top it with the can of cherry pie filling. But it's a little thicker than the previous version because it doesn't have as much milk. Okay, same deal with this. Put it in the refrigerator and at least an hour to let it get good and set. I've waited for this all day. That is really good. So maybe you want to give it a try. So anyway, that's the end of the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the little button and ring the bell for notifications. Oh, and also I keep forgetting in my last few videos to remind you all, I started a Facebook group. So just, you can go find me. I'll leave the link in the description box below. But click on that and it should take you to the page and ask to join. Come join us over there too. And that is it. I hope you're staying warm and safe, and I keep saying hope. But anyway, I really do hope you have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.